The future isn't coming someday, it's already here. These real inventions exist today, and once you see them, the world won't feel the same again. 1. All-terrain electric unicycle. This invention pushes personal transportation to the extreme. This all-terrain electric unicycle delivers massive power output, designed for speed, balance, and off-road dominance. Built with high-torque motors and reinforced tires, it can handle rough terrain, sharp inclines, and urban roads effortlessly. What makes it revolutionary is how such raw power fits into a compact, single-wheel design while still maintaining balance through advanced gyroscopic systems. This isn't just transportation, it's a glimpse into future micromobility where performance meets portability. 2. Hover carpet transport device. Inspired by the concept of a flying carpet, this device allows users to glide smoothly without their feet touching the ground. Designed especially for beginners, it focuses on stability and confidence. The platform stays low to the surface while advanced balance control minimizes the risk of falling. This makes it ideal for first-time users and people who need safer mobility solutions. It's not about speed, it's about freedom of movement with minimal effort. 3. Robotic toilet cleaning system. Cleaning public toilets is time-consuming, unsafe, and unpleasant. This robot changes that completely. This automated system can clean an entire public restroom in around 15 minutes, using precision movement, water pressure, and disinfecting mechanisms. It reaches corners and surfaces humans often miss, ensuring consistent hygiene. In places like airports, malls, and stations, robots like this could soon become the global standard. 4. 18-wheel all-terrain vehicle. This vehicle is built for environments where normal machines completely fail. With 18 independently moving wheels, it distributes weight evenly, allowing it to roll over rocks, tree trunks, and uneven terrain with surprising smoothness. Prototype testing showed it can maintain balance even in extreme off-road conditions. This design could redefine transportation for disaster zones, exploration missions, and military logistics. 5. Container exchange transport vehicle. This invention transforms how heavy goods are transported. Instead of manual loading, this vehicle allows containers to be exchanged and lowered automatically, saving time and reducing labor. It supports heavy payloads and is designed for industrial environments like ports, warehouses, and construction sites. Efficiency, safety, and speed, all in one machine. 6. Inflatable rescue lifting system. In emergency situations, every second matters, and this system is built exactly for that. These inflatable rescue mattresses are placed beneath heavy objects and inflated to lift massive weight safely. They're widely used in accidents and rescue operations because they're fast, portable, and extremely reliable. Sometimes the simplest technology saves the most lives. 7. Personal VTOL aircraft. Inspecting large land areas used to take days. This aircraft reduces it to minutes. This vertical takeoff and landing vehicle can operate on land or water, reach impressive speeds, and carry a significant payload. The most surprising part is that no pilot license is required, making it accessible to regular users. Beyond farming, it has serious potential in rescue missions and transport. 8. Smart cleaning spray system. Sometimes the most impactful inventions are the ones we use every day. This smart cleaning spray system is designed to make cleaning and watering easier, safe, and more comfortable. The soft plastic components at the nozzle protect delicate surfaces from scratches, while the ergonomic trigger reduces hand strain during long use. A lockable pulse trigger allows continuous water flow, and built-in frost protection ensures the sprayer remains undamaged in cold conditions. It's a simple tool but thoughtfully engineered to improve everyday life without unnecessary complexity. 9. AR projected billiard system. This augmented reality billiard system completely redefines how the game is played and learned. Using only a projector and camera mounted above the table, the system tracks ball movement and table boundaries in real time. It projects visual guides, angles, and predicted paths directly onto the table surface. Players can train, experiment, and improve accuracy without changing traditional equipment. This invention merges entertainment with technology, making billiards more interactive, educational, and engaging for players of all skill levels. Foldable electric scooter. As cities become more crowded, smart mobility solutions are no longer optional. Foldable electric scooters are designed for modern urban life, offering fast, efficient travel without traffic frustration. They are lightweight, easy to carry, and compact enough to take into offices, trains, or apartments. This invention helps reduce congestion, lowers emissions, and saves time for daily commuters. It's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle upgrade for city dwellers who value convenience and flexibility. 11. World's largest fire truck. When facing massive fires, standard equipment simply isn't enough. This is the world's largest fire truck, engineered to handle extreme emergency situations. Built to extinguish fires almost instantly, it uses advanced heat-resistant systems and high-capacity firefighting mechanisms. Designed for oil fields, factories, and large industrial zones, this vehicle represents humanity's strongest response to uncontrolled fire disasters. It stands as a symbol of engineering built to protect lives and infrastructure at the highest level. 12. Biometric free diving device. Diving is beautiful, but dangerous without the right tools. This biometric free diving device is designed to enhance safety and performance underwater. It monitors vital data such as breathing patterns, depth, and physical condition in real time, while providing voice guidance to the diver. This allows users to push limits safely while avoiding critical mistakes. For professional divers and enthusiasts alike, this invention transforms underwater exploration into a smarter and safer experience. 13. Wall climbing crawler robot. This crawler robot is designed to go where humans cannot. Capable of carrying heavy loads while moving across walls and vertical surfaces, it defies gravity using advanced traction and control systems. It's ideal for inspections, maintenance, and dangerous environments such as industrial facilities or disaster zones. By replacing humans in risky tasks, this robot increases safety while improving efficiency. It's a perfect example of technology being used to protect human life. 14. Automated robotic fueling system. Refueling a car may soon require zero human effort. This fully automated robotic fueling system handles everything, from opening the fuel cap to refilling and payment integration. Designed to reduce waiting time and human error, it also improves safety by limiting exposure to fuel vapors. As automation spreads across infrastructure, systems like this show how even everyday routines can become faster, cleaner, and more efficient through robotics and AI. 15. Soundwave fire extinguisher. This invention completely challenges traditional firefighting methods. Instead of water or chemicals, it uses low-frequency sound waves to disrupt flames. In less than a second, it can extinguish small fires without leaving residue or causing damage. This technology is especially valuable in enclosed spaces, electronic environments, or areas where water damage is dangerous. It proves that sometimes fighting fire doesn't require force, just intelligence. Final thoughts, a glimpse into tomorrow. What you've just witnessed is not imagination, not concept art, and not distant science fiction. These inventions exist right now, quietly shaping the future while most people remain unaware. Each device solves a real-world problem, whether it's saving time, protecting lives, reducing risk, or improving comfort. Together, they show a powerful truth. The future doesn't arrive suddenly. It arrives step by step, invention by invention. Technology isn't replacing humanity, it's supporting it, extending human ability, and opening possibilities that once seemed impossible. And this is only the beginning of what's coming next. If this glimpse into the future inspired you, stay connected, like, subscribe, and join us as we continue exploring the inventions shaping tomorrow's world, today.